What's up, Vanilla Squad? It is me, your favorite vanilla chick, and I'm back with a hair tutorial this time. So firstly, you will need a bunch of wool. I bought 4 because I needed 4. And then you'll need a moisturizer. In this case, I prefer the leave-in conditioner. And you'll need something to tie your hair, obviously. A pair of scissors. They need to be sharp, but not too sharp. You might cut yourself. And a comb with that thing at the back, and also some spray to spray your hair, or some water, just so your hair is moist. So what am I doing now? I'm basically just unraveling the twists that I had from the previous day. I usually keep my hair like this if I'm like wearing a wig, or I don't have cornrows or braids on, or if I don't want to wear my hair out. I usually keep it like that. So what I'm doing now is I take some of the spray and I just spray it onto my hair, so it's easy to unravel, and this reduces like your hair tangling up into knots and whatever. So I would advise you to spray something onto your hair before you unravel it, or apply some oil, like coconut oil, onto your fingers and use that residue to unravel your twists. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat this step throughout. Okay, so since we're done with that, I'm going to move on to the next step. I don't know why I keep doing that, but whatever. So now I need to part my hair into 4 sections, but obviously I'm going to begin with the middle parting, which is just a nightmare for me. I'm struggling, as you can see. I am struggling. My line, I get a little line here, guys. Guys, my line is not straight. Oh my god. What? Well, okay. I need some help. I really need help. Somebody help me. Please. Please. Okay. There's my Grams helping me. She's too kind and was willing to help me. So I think, yes, my line's got direction now. So now I'm parting the back part of the hair. What vertical, horizontal, I don't know. Okay, you know what, I'm not going to try this thing, but yeah, I'm now making 4 partings. 4 parts, yes. From the half that I parted. Jeez, schoa, geometrics, whatever. Yampet, you. So I have my hair in 4 little buns. Well, 3, because the other one is just hanging, because I'm going to start with it anyway. There's no point. So I really advise you guys to part your hair into 4 sections, because trust me, ever since I tried this, it's saved my life big time. Alright, so now I'm going to take some yarn and I'm going to start gathering the strands together to make 12 strands, because that will basically contribute to the thickness of the braid. You can decide how many strands you want, honestly, how thin you want them, how thick you want them. So I love chunky braids, and yeah, I went for 12 strands this time, and I'm just gathering the strands together. I don't know, I'm so serious. Oh my gosh. Okay, girl, you in your zone. Alright, we're gonna braid. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the ends, and yeah, we can begin with the fun part. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the comb. I'm going to part. I'm gonna make a line through, a straight line. Ooh, this line was actually straight. I didn't see it because, like, obviously it's my bag. So people always asking me, how do you braid at the back? Do you use a mirror? Do you? I'm like, no, I just like go with the flow, bro. So I'm taking some leave-in conditioner and I'm moisturizing my hair. Guys, it's very important to moisturize your hair. I know your hairdressers, they just braid you with dry ass hair and you wonder why your hair falls off when you unbraid. Yeah, moisturize that hair, girls. Moisturize that hair. I'm not lying. It's a great way to keep your hair hydrated because all of those things soak up the moisture in your hair. So it's important to keep your hair hydrated underneath. So I'm going to take my combination of strands and I'm going to start braiding it together with my hair into like a box braid type of thing. And then once I've covered like all my hair, then I'll begin twisting. As you can see, I've done a hair tutorial before, so this one is a little bit quicker. The other one I did slow down how I twist and so forth, so I will put a card somewhere so you guys can check it out. Okay, sis. All right, yes. Tongue out, guys. I need to stop this. Okay, so now I've got like a full head of hair. I do apologize for the quality because guys, it struggles. My front camera was tripping. Who wants to buy me a camera? It's almost Christmas. Santa Claus. I've been a good child. Can somebody just like slide in the comments in the DMs? You know, I'd really appreciate it. So anyway, I just continue with the same method and I just basically braided my hair. And yeah. I was so worried because I didn't think this yarn would be enough. Because oh wow, guys, I struggle to find this white yarn these days. I don't know why. So yes, this is the final look, guys. Yes, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yes, this is it from me and I'm saying bye.